2 days of exploring. I think we're racked up around 250 miles or so. A lot of it was on dirt, doing some touristy stuff, but dispersed camping last night and the night before, which is pretty hard to do on the East Coast, so we try to take advantage of it whenever we can when we come out west. And what better time to show off the new truck cap camper than here at this epic campsite. Check this out. The door locks are all tied into my factory key fob. So, close up for the night, lock it down. That's cool. I don't think anybody else has that. What's pretty cool about this is the aluminum construction. Everything is all integrated together here with this space frame. It's super rigid, super strong. What's really impressive to me is the solid construction of their doors. This Molle panel creates a ton of rigidity in the door itself. There is no flex, no give, and you have tons of places to mount anything you can imagine. They integrated Baja designs, little lights. These are their dome lights that can be activated each individual location with a switch, and we've tied these back into our S-Pod so we have a master disconnect if we want to turn it off when we jump in the truck. Let's go check out the interior. So what we really like about this setup compared to our last rooftop tent is the ability to get in and out of the bed and down into the truck for things like a toilet or some water in the middle of the night. And our other one was a rooftop tent that only had access from the outside with a ladder. So this, we're on a platform. It's a 4-inch XPED. We had the same mattress in our last rooftop tent. They are super comfy. Storage pockets. Love the little wing windows. Get you some extra airflow. And if you notice, the perimeter lets a little daylight through, so you can actually tell if you were all closed up, you can tell what time of day it is. Lots of ventilation. Converting the bed into open space so you can stand up and use the cap is super easy. Just going to lift the front, slide the panel up, fold the mattress over, and you've got tons of room in here now for all kinds of activities. So it's, again, kind of a neat way to use the space when you move the mattress out of the way during the day, and if the weather's bad, I mean, you got a safe place to hang out. Was pretty stoked to be able to reuse the All-Pro storage rack. We had this set up in the truck previously. If you have a Tacoma and you have an All-Pro storage basket, these Roam boxes are a perfect fit, so we can get one on each side and grab and go. And so now it's time to close it up so we can travel. And it's pretty easy. You got your bungees that crisscross, and they'll pull the tent in as you lower it down. What you do is you bring the bed back, all the way back, so it lays flat. really happy with this truck cab camper. We're excited to get out and use it more. Being here in Colorado, it's literally the best place that we could think of to take it out and test drive it. So we're real excited to get it out east and do some more camping. Let's roll.